In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Instagram business account private in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to control who can see your posts while keeping your business profile, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Instagram account. Open up the Instagram app on your phone or visit the website on your computer. Enter your credentials as you usually would and click on Login. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to log into the business account that you want to set to private. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile page. This is where all your account management options are housed. You can do this by looking for the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap on it. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts, followers, and settings. Next, head over to the settings area. Usually, this is accessed by tapping on the 3 horizontal lines or the gear icon, which you'll find at the top right of your profile page. This menu gives you a broader array of options to customize your account. When the menu opens up, you'll notice several settings categories. Look for and click on the Settings and Privacy section. This area lets you refine your account's privacy and performance settings, which is essential for managing a business account. Now, scroll through until you find the section labeled For Professionals. Here you'll find options specific to business accounts, including promotional tools and insights. After clicking on For Professionals, locate and click on Business Tools and Controls. This section gives you more control over how your business account functions and interacts. In the Business Tools and Controls section, look for the option Switch to Personal Account. This step is necessary because as of now, Instagram does not allow business accounts to be private. When you switch to a personal account, you maintain control over your followers. You'll then be prompted by Instagram to confirm this switch. To proceed, click on Switch to Personal Account again. This will temporarily transition your account out of business mode, but don't worry, you'll be able to go back whenever you need to. Once switched, return to the main settings or find your profile page once more. Navigate back to Settings and then to Privacy. In the Privacy settings, you'll find an option called Account Privacy. Click on this option and you'll see the toggle for Private Account. Slide this toggle to turn it on. This action will make all your posts visible only to those who follow you, giving you the privacy you desire. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Switch to Private when prompted. And that's it. Your business account is now set to private. This allows you to have more control over who sees your content while maintaining an Instagram presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.